Sandy Joys.
Hi guys, welcome to my Sandy Joys channel. Today I'm going to make a sand painting of farm animals. Let's draw and paint together.
Little lamb, Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
First I'm painting a sheep. Now I'm drawing a dog. Dogs are my favorite animals.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho,
Now I'm drawing a
the
cat.
dairy-o. The
I love
cat
drawing
takes
cats
the
so
mouse.
much.
The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cheese stands alone.
Now I'm drawing a donkey. Do you know what sounds these animals make? Now I'm drawing a cow. Please try to draw with me. Now let's draw a rooster.
With a here and a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here.
these farm animals.
Whoa!